Hi, I'm Mohammed from Rhenso, and today I would like to introduce you to our new feature, Quick Editing for Rhino objects. This feature empowers our users to quickly edit a wide range of Rhino objects. On my screen, you can see different types of objects that the feature supports till now. Each object has three sections in our UI: properties, functions, and transform. Now let's start with the point. And in the point, you will see properties, transform. In properties, we can change the coordinates of the point. And in transform, and this will happen with most of the other objects, we can always create an array. To create an array, you can always manipulate the number in X, Y, and Z, also the distance in X, Y, and Z. Very easy, huh? Let's go to the circle. You can change the radius, and also you can set a new point for your centroid of the circle. Functions has the number of divisions if you want to increase or decrease the number of divisions in your circle. And now let's check lines. In line, we can also use properties for setting a new start point, new end point. There's also a really nice feature here that we can extend our line from both ends or one of our endpoints. We can also add a midpoint, start point, or end point. For other kind of curves, it's mostly the same, but in polyline, we can actually close the polyline, and in rectangle, we can set new plane, set a centroid, new centroid for it, add diagonals and add axes. Let's go for surfaces and 3D objects. In functions, we can actually flip the surface. We can duplicate the border, add center point, and add axis. It's the same for box, but you can just edit the properties. And for straight extrusions, there is a really nice feature which is getting the profile curve. Now B-Rep and meshes. In B-Rep, you get the B-Rep properties, how many faces you have, is it closed or not, if you have any naked edges. And from functions, you can get minimal bounding box. This also applies for mesh, but you get different properties, how many vertices, if it's closed or not, how many face counts, and so on. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and had a nice introduction to our new feature. Please also note that it's open for free users. Everyone can use the power of the new feature. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to send to our support email or my personal email. Thank you so much.